This is a very brief tutorial on the FCHgo website and specifically on the FCHgo Award. FCHgo is a European project addressing students and teachers of all ages from 8 to 18 years old willing to discover the energy of hydrogen, specifically of fuel cells hydrogen. The academics of the partnership created toolkits specifically for supporting teacher in facing this topic within the class. You can download the materials in different languages. FCHgo then, to engage students, launched an award, an international contest that invites students and teams of students to create their projects, their ideas, to share their ideas on how to use FCH applications in the everyday life. The name of the award is Word of the Future, the best FCH application. So how can you participate? The teachers, as adult referent, can create teams of minimum 4 students within a class and invite students and support students to create stories, photos, movies, a collage of images, models, also experiments and laboratory tests according to what you do at school and what you can do at school. That can be part of your application. During the Corona time, so when Corona started and schools had to stop their activities in class, we also created FCHgo at Home. This is a way to invite students from home that can informally form a team to participate in the award as well. So for FCHgo at Home, you can participate with a minimum of 2 students of the same age, but they need to be guided or at least tutored by an adult, by a grown-up of majority age. If you are students of majority age, you can participate without the need of having a tutorial, a tutor, a grown-up tutor. How to apply? Here on the website you have the form. You can apply through filling this form. It will be your teacher or your tutor or your parent to fill this form in on behalf of the team, presenting the team, and this is the place where you have to upload the application form, the document that is included in the application pack, the privacy declaration duly signed by the grown-up, and the work produced. We will be back to this point. Let's go back to the award. FCHgo Award application forms. To apply, you need to download your application form in your language. This is a Google folder where you can easily download all the documents related to the call. It is important to download every single document, read everything very carefully, and fill the 2 documents because they are very important to be uploaded together with your project. The deadline for submitting the application will be 31st March 2021. It is important to respect this deadline, and there will be first a selection at national level, and afterwards by June 2021 there will be an international selection, and then prizes for the winners. If you have any doubt, you can download the frequently asked questions file where you can find the answers to your possible questions, And you can also write to us, contacting us by filling this form. So whichever question you might have, please do fill the form or contact directly ineuropa at ineuropa.info. Let's go back to the application form here, where you need to upload your work. What is important to underline is that, as you see, there's a maximum of 32 megabytes to upload. So whether your documents or your project, your files are bigger of this maximum size, please do contact us, because we can find a solution together. You can, for instance, put your video on YouTube or Vimeo in an unlisted way, and then share the link through inserting the link into a doc file that you can transform in PDF. So we can find a solution together. So don't be scared about the size or the maximum size of the documents or the work produced, and be in touch with us, and we will support each of the team to upload in the best way possible. So what are you waiting for? Come on, start and work on the FCHgo project and apply with your ideas. We are waiting for new applications to be prepared by students.